Yo! In this video, we're talking about how bad I am at drawing. Well, as you can see, it's not really good, but we will work on that. I will not take drawing seriously until I'm satisfied with my level of art. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I will make it. So, here's the plan. I will start learning in the field of drawing. What do I mean by that? Well, the number one, the anatomy. Most part of it, like the hand, which I think the most hard because it's so expressive and just hard. Also, the head, the torso, the feet, and muscle. Number two, the coloring, the field that gives life to the drawing. I try to learn the basic color theory, how to use it properly, the blending, and the style. And number three, the one that I hate the most, perspective. 2D, 3D, horizontal line, fisheye. Well, not everything, but you get the idea. I try to learn most of it and master it to the best that I can. So yeah, that's the plan. I know it's hard, but I try to stick to it. I will share it to you guys, and maybe who knows, you can learn from me, and I can learn from you all. Just a disclaimer, this is not a tutorial video like every other YouTuber. So I think there will be a lot of time that you may think that my drawing is bad, or if I say something that may not be right in your perspective. Is it because I'm sometimes dumb, I guess? So, let's start. Let's go to the topic how bad I am at drawing. One thing is, I'm struggling with the basic. I mean, I know it, but I can't really implement it in my drawing. I mean, look at this, and this, and this. Sometimes, when I really focus on something that I draw, I do a bit good. But as I see that I made mistake and error in my drawing, I just lose motivation and stop it. And I have this habit to delete or not save my drawing if I don't see it as something good. So, I really don't know if I'm improving or something since I can compare it to my previous drawing. So, for now, let's try to test my skill. Well, I'm not a complete beginner, but I have way more things to learn. I always start with a very rough sketch, just to get the pose of the character and just to get the overall image on the canvas. After that, I'll start cleaning a bit, place where the eye will land. I also sketch the clothing and the hair here, and more cleaning. I always found myself struggling with the hair and the proportion in the eyes, so I think I will focus on that as we start learning. Let's speed up a bit, cause I know it's a bit boring. I know that the line art is easy if the drop or sketch is great, but as you can see, I struggle a lot with the line art in the hair cause the hair sketch sucks. So, here's the result after the line art. I won't color it yet just because I'm not confident enough for that. And the first thing that I notice is how bad the proportion in the eyes. It just doesn't fit with the whole head. Second is the details in the hair. I think this can be better if I'm better. Lastly, the body. Seems off, the proportion, the hands. As you can see, I really need to work on my art skill. Anyway, see you again in the next video.